Hello, my name is Sally. I am 41 years old and I've been using PEDs since I was in my early 30s, and I highly recommend them for every woman on the planet. Even men should be using these PEDs. Children can use these PEDs. Elderly can use these PEDs. These PEDs are safe for everyone and they will completely transform your life. They have helped me lose over 55 pounds. I have built muscles on my body, jawline to feet. I've transformed my health from the inside out. I have stronger bones than ever before. I have incredible skin tone. I'm in the best shape of my life. I have incredible fitness, incredible lung health. I can maintain high levels of activity in the nose breathing zone because I'm so healthy and strong in my heart and lungs. I have excellent digestion, assimilation, and elimination. All of my joints are so flexible and healthy and strong because of these PEDs that I use and highly recommend that you use as well. So I can't wait to tell you what these PEDs are because you need to be using them today and every day for the rest of your life. They're safe, they're available for everyone, and I can't wait for you to experience the profound health that I have experienced using them. Here's what they are: performance enhancing devices. The rebounder right here. These rebounders allow us to increase and decrease the weight of gravity. And when we defy gravity in that way, by increasing and decreasing the weight of gravity against every cell in our entire bodies, we bring profound health into every cell in our body. Our joints get more flexible, our bones get stronger, our muscles get stronger, our digestion improves, our heart health goes through the roof, our lungs get stronger, we get healthier in every way imaginable because we are defying gravity in a way that makes our bodies stronger. So I call these performance enhancing devices, and they have helped me perform better in every way in my life. I'm better in my yoga, I'm better in my mood, I'm more productive in my work because rebounding has me exercising at home, and I can get on anytime I need a boost or a pick-me-up, and I can bring that energy into my body. I never have to leave to go to the gym. I can squeeze in a 5-minute workout anytime I can. I can bounce up to 60 minutes watching a movie and the time flies by, and it's easy and it's fun and it's sustainable and it's powerful. Like I said, I've lost 55 pounds. I have built muscle on my body, jawline to feet. My digestion has improved immensely. My heart health is incredible. I have incredible digestion. My bones are stronger. I am so flexible in my body, and all of this will happen to you as soon as you start using these PEDs and start jumping on them because they are powerful. They are allowing us to access increased and decreased gravity, and there's no other way of increasing gravity against our whole body all at the same time. When we lift weights, we are essentially increasing gravity against our muscles, but when we jump on this resistance mat, we're increasing gravity against every cell in our entire body, and then we're decreasing gravity when we're in the up bounce, which doesn't happen when we lift weights. And so when we increase and decrease the gravity over and over and over again, not only is it making us stronger, but it's also taking weight and taking time off of our bodies. That's why they call jumping the fountain of youth. We're in the air for half the time we're training, so we're actually reversing the aging process. And this down, up is creating a pumping action that is going deep into our lymphatic system, making our lymphatic system so incredibly healthy and making our immune system so strong. And it's pumping circulation throughout the body, which can help improve all the processes in our body and also help us to heal injuries faster. Oftentimes when we have an injury, we have a lot of stuck energy around the injury and fluid that isn't moving and scar tissue buildup that's locking the injury into place. And when we start bouncing gently, it starts to help us loosen up that scar tissue buildup and also the fluid around around the injury, which could be inflammation, which is trying to heal the injury, but could also be causing swelling. And when we bounce gently, we actually pump that swelling out of the injured area and help us to bring more healing to the injury. We can go in and gently start to stretch the injury while bringing the circulation to the injury. It's so powerful for physical therapy. And so I highly recommend that you get yourself a rebounder as soon as possible and get bouncing on it and experience health benefits that surpass any PED on the market and potentially any other form of exercise on the market, because it's an all-in-one machine. It gives us cardio, it gives us strength training, it makes us flexible and strong in our bones and our joints and our lymphatic system, all at the exact same time. And so I highly recommend that you have one in your living room and you get on it and bounce throughout the day. We have workouts on YouTube for free that you can follow along to. Otherwise, get a good high quality rebounder with a handlebar and bounce on it gently all throughout the day as your body adapts to this very powerful up and down motion where we're defying gravity, increasing it and decreasing it. And then let your body get stronger and stronger over the weeks and months. Then you could start doing more workouts on it and you can just start to see your whole life transform and your health just come to life. You're going to be a whole new person within weeks before you even know it, because of the speed of the health that is going to come into your body from this pumping action of resistance release that is strengthening every cell in your entire body and is also reversing the aging process and is also creating such incredible circulation throughout your whole body, improving your mood, improving your health, and helping you to become the strongest, healthiest, happiest that you've ever been in your entire life. So get a rebounder. You can check out Facebook Marketplace to see if they have ones for sale in your local area. You could also go straight for a brand new one. They have amazing rebounders on the market. Our favorite is the Stellar Sizer rebounder. That's the rebounder that built us our trophy bodies. We also love the Jump Sport 350 Pro. We also love the B-Can Bungee 40-inch rebounder. That's a great introductory rebounder. And then there are other rebounders on the market that are also good. What matters most is that they are made with high quality materials and they feel good to bounce on, and they come with a handlebar because this is a performance bar and we should have it attached at all times. But if you need to remove it, you absolutely can remove it, but it's good to have it because all of our workouts here on I Jump and Said YouTube use a handlebar. So we highly recommend that you get one. I hope that you get jumping as soon as you can and start using these very powerful PEDs, and they are safe, like I said, for all ages, from kids all the way up to elders. And so make sure that the whole family gets jumping as soon as possible. Bring this profound health into all of your lives, and then you'll be healthier and happier because of it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give the video a like if you loved it and comment below. I am so on board with these PEDs. I can't wait to start using them right now, or I'm already using these PEDs and I am experiencing profound health because of it. Make sure not to mention what the PEDs are in the comments, just in case someone comes to the video and wants to see in the comment section what the PEDs are. But instead, the comments will say that these PEDs are legit and they are safe and they work and they're safe for all ages. And I want to know if you're already using them or if you're motivated now to get started using them so that you can be the healthiest, happiest person that you can possibly be. Thanks again for watching this video. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Comment below also if you have any questions. Bye for now.